Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Rhythm. I'm your host, Rachel. Here, we help you improve your English listening and speaking skills through engaging, real-life scenario conversations. Today, we're tackling a topic many of us can relate to. All beginnings are difficult, whether it's starting a new job, learning a new language, or just trying a new recipe. That initial step can be the hardest. So, let's get started.
Scene 1. Overwhelmed beginner.
Hey, Ben. How's it going?
Hey, Sarah. Not too bad, but I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. I just started a new online course, and it's proving to be quite challenging.
Oh, what course is it?
It's a coding course. I've always wanted to learn how to develop websites, but I'm finding it hard to grasp the basics.
I can relate to that. Remember when I started learning Spanish? The first few weeks were tough. I felt like I wasn't making any progress.
Exactly. That's how I feel right now. It's like everyone else understands everything, and I'm just sitting here, completely lost.
Don't be so hard on yourself. It's perfectly normal to feel that way when you're starting something new. All beginnings are difficult, as they say.
Yeah, I know, but it's still frustrating.
The key is to be patient and persistent. Break down the learning into smaller, manageable tasks. Don't try to learn everything at once.
That's good advice. I've been trying to cram everything in, which is probably why I'm feeling so overwhelmed.
Also, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of online resources and communities where you can find support.
That's true. I haven't really explored those options yet.
And remember, everyone starts somewhere. Even the most experienced coders were beginners once.
You're right. I need to change my perspective. I'm going to take your advice and focus on small, achievable goals.
That's the spirit. You'll get there. Just keep practicing and don't give up.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel much better now.
Anytime, Ben. We all face challenges when starting something new, but it's important to remember that it's a normal part of the process.
Scene 2. Half marathon hurdles.
Hey, Alex, you look a bit stressed. What's up?
Hey, Emily. I just started training for a half marathon, and it's way harder than I thought it would be.
Oh, wow, that's a big commitment. How's it going so far?
Not great, to be honest. I can barely run for 5 minutes straight without feeling like I'm going to collapse.
I understand that feeling. I remember when I started learning to play the guitar. My fingers hurt and I couldn't even play a simple chord.
Exactly. It's so discouraging. Everyone else seems to be running miles, and I'm just struggling to get through a few blocks.
Don't compare yourself to others. All beginnings are difficult, remember? It takes time to build endurance and strength.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm making zero progress.
You're being too hard on yourself. Start with shorter distances and gradually increase them. Focus on consistency rather than speed.
That makes sense. I've been trying to push myself too hard, too fast.
Also, make sure you're taking rest days and eating well. Your body needs time to recover.
I haven't been paying much attention to that. I've just been pushing myself every day.
That's a recipe for burnout. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to adjust your training plan.
You're right. I need to be more mindful.
And remember, even the most experienced runners started with their first step. You'll get there if you're patient.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate your advice. I feel a lot more motivated now.
No problem, Alex. We all go through tough beginnings. Just keep at it and you'll see progress.
And that brings us to the end of today's conversation. Remember, everyone, whether it's coding, running, or any new endeavor, you're not alone in facing those initial challenges. Embrace the struggle, be kind to yourselves, and celebrate every small victory. You have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle. Keep pushing forward, and you'll find that the rewards are well worth the effort. We believe in you. Thanks for joining us on English Rhythm, and we'll see you next time.